Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on HOTWAV T5 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your privacy and data settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is all set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.